Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be replacing my air vents. My air vent developed a little crack up there, and my passenger cup holder doesn't work at all. So I am going to be replacing those two. So first you start off by removing this little plastic or this little rubber cover. I'm just going to use a little pick. Screwdriver. Undo that, and then open your cup holder, and there will be another Phillips head in the cup holder. Now that both the screws are loose, you just close your cup holder, and then she'll just gently come right out. Uh-oh, something fell. Reinstalling is just reversal of what you just did. Pop that in, grab your little beauty cover. First vent done. In my honest opinion, never use these cup holders. Never ever put anything in these cup holders because they break very easily. Alright, now we will be doing the exact same thing on the passenger side. Make sure everything's still in frame. Yep. So we're just gonna grab our little pick. Looks like this cover was already falling off. Alright. Let's get that Phillips head off. Oh yes, so this one is completely broken. So I'm just gonna stick my pick in there, manually open that, get the Phillips head from under here. Close that, wiggle this guy out. Make sure there's no broken pieces of plastic in there. All right, let's put the new one in. Slow and steady. Let's see what that's going. Oh, it is in. Let's put this bottom one in. That one's in. And it looks like this one is missing the little chrome piece. So I'm just gonna grab it from my old vent. You just stick your finger underneath the silver part and it just pops right out. There it is, it's off. Perfect.